This is DeWitt, DeWitt, DeWitt. It's down the road from Clinton. That's not a coincidence, I don't think. Apparently there was a New York governor who was named after a locomotive. I don't know the story. Iowa. Fields of Nightmares. Looks like a Grant Wood painting. Hey, if you want to watch more of whatever state you've just been watching, then click on the link or something, because there's plenty more episodes, plenty more highlights, and a literal shit ton of dashcam footage of my adventure from the Loop in Chicago to the milepost 0 on the Central Pacific by the riverbank in Sacramento. Alright.